Hey there, money savers! Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to save some serious dough without having to sacrifice your lifestyle? Well, you're in luck, because today we're bringing you 20 easy frugal living tips that will have you feeling like a financial genius in no time. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to penny pinch like a pro. Tip number 20. Become a DIY master chef. Why spend a fortune on eating out when you can just whip up your own culinary masterpieces at home? Dust off that apron, grab some questionable ingredients from your fridge, and let your inner chef shine. Just remember to keep a fire extinguisher nearby just in case things go terribly, terribly wrong. Tip number 19. Join the free stuff cult. You won't believe the treasures that you can find in the land of freebies. Join the local free cycle groups, scour online classifieds, and even check out your neighbor's trash. Discreetly, of course. You'll be amazed the things that people just toss away. One person's trash is another person's eccentric home decor, right? Tip number 18. The art of couponology. Embrace your inner detective and become a coupon hunter. Clip those coupons, stack them up, and strut into the supermarket like a frugal boss. Who cares if you've never purchased cat food before? At least it's 50% off. Number 17. Be your own barber. Who needs expensive salons when you have a mirror, pair of scissors, and a vague sense of confidence? Channel your inner hairstylist and give yourself a haircut. Just be prepared for some creative results, or worse, a sudden urge to wear a hat for the next 3 months. Tip number 16. Say goodbye to retail therapy. Retail therapy is so last season. Instead, embrace a new form of therapy called window shopping. Admire those shiny gadgets and designer clothes, but don't bring your wallet. It's like going to the zoo. Look, but don't touch. Now, where were we? Oh yeah, tip number... Wait, hold on a second, I need a comment break. Yes, that's right, it's time to unleash your creative comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to Frugal Life Hacks to save a ton of money. Seriously, leave a comment and let's have a virtual laughter party. I'll be waiting to read them all. Tip number 15. Embrace the Turn It Off Challenge. Become an energy-saving superhero. Turn off the lights, unplug electronics, and stop the relentless vampire power consumption. You'll be saving money and the planet at the same time. You might even earn a cape for your efforts. It's not guaranteed though. Tip number 14. Master the art of regifting. Okay, so we all have that one gift that's been passed around like a hot potato. Embrace the regifting tradition and spread the joy or confusion to others. Just make sure you don't accidentally give Aunt Ethel the same sweater that she gave you last year. Oh, awkward. Tip number 13. Embark on an epic thrift store adventure. Thrift stores are like a mystical realm where everything is priced under $5 and fashion trends come to die. Embrace the thrill of the hunt and discover your inner fashion icon in the most unique outfits that you can find. Plus, it's a great conversation starter when people ask, where did you get that? Tip number 12. The art of reusing. Become a MacGyver of frugality by repurposing everything you can get your hands on. Empty jars become storage containers, wine corks into keychains, and old clothes transform into avant-garde fashion statements. Your creativity knows no bounds. Tip number 11. Utilize your local library. Books, movies, audiobooks, and more are waiting for you at your local library for free. Say goodbye to hefty bookstore bills and enjoy the vast resources available just a few blocks away. Tip number 10. Master the 30-day rule. Before making non-essential purchases, give yourself a 30-day cooling off period. You'd be surprised at how many impulse buys lose their appeal after a month. It's a great way to avoid buyer's remorse. Tip number 9. Embrace the great outdoors. Mother Nature has so much to offer, and it's usually free. Take advantages of parks, hiking trails, and local attractions in your area. It's honestly a fantastic way to have fun without spending a dime. Tip number 8. Channel your inner handyman or handywoman. Why hire a professional when you can become one? Learn basic DIY skills such as fixing leaks, replacing light bulbs, and painting walls. Not only will you save some money on repairs, but you also gain a new sense of accomplishment. Plus, you can finally use the hammer that you got for Christmas. Tip number 7. Embrace public transport. Say goodbye to expensive car payments, gas, and maintenance costs by using transportation. But in the public sense. You'll not only save your money, but you'll also reduce your carbon footprint. Plus, you can catch up on reading or take a nap while you commute. Tip number 6. Get creative with entertainment. Who needs expensive concert tickets when you have a karaoke night with friends? Embrace creative ways of having fun, such as game nights, picnics, and movie marathons. You'll save money and create new memories with the people you love. Tip number 5. Buy in bulk. Embrace your inner hoarder and buy items in bulk, such as toilet paper, cleaning products, and non-perishable food items. You'll save money in the long run and reduce your trips to the store. We're getting closer to the end, my fellow penny pinchers. But before we wrap up, let's take a quick detour for our final like and comment frenzy. Are you loving these frugal tips? Then show it with a thunderous like and let me know in the comment section below. I want to hear your thoughts, your insights, and of course, your requests for future videos. We're a community here and your feedback means the world to us. Tip number 4. Embrace minimalism. Say goodbye to clutter and embrace minimalism. Sell or donate things that you no longer need or use. Not only will you save money by not buying unnecessary things, but you also have a cleaner and more organized space. Tip number 3. Learn to negotiate. Negotiating isn't just for car dealerships or garage sales. You can also negotiate your bills, such as cable or internet, or even your rent. Just remember to be polite and respectful, and you might just save yourself some cash. Tip number 2. Use cashback apps. Take advantage of cashback apps such as Ibotta and Rakuten to save money on purchases you're already making. It's like getting paid to shop. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the final tip of this epic frugal journey. And let me tell you, this one's a doozy. Are you ready to make some frugal wizardry? Buckle up, my friends, because I'm about to reveal the ultimate money-saving secret. Tip number 1. Make your own cleaning products. Why spend money on expensive cleaning products when you can make your own? Simple ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks. Plus, you'll reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. Well, my fellow frugal fanatics, we've reached the end of this love-filled, money-saving extravaganza. But before we part ways, I couldn't resist giving you a grand finale of frugal hilarity in our outrageously long outro. Buckle up, my friends, because this is going to be a wild ride. Now, it's time to unveil a secret that's been passed down through generations of frugal gurus. Lean closer, my friends, as I whisper the ancient mantra of savings into your ears. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Can you feel the frugality coursing through your veins? It's like a superhero origin story. Thank you again for joining us on another unforgettable frugal adventure. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite frugal memory, and spread the word of frugality to all of your friends and family.